problems with it. I'm not sure if it was the lip or the bumper, but the fitment was not the best. So we had it bolted into the sides, but the front kind of tipped down. So he ripped it off. Hopefully we don't struggle that much with mine, and we have to do his as well again. But yeah, so see you when I get there. Hi.
Hi.
You got 2 of these washer packs? Okay, so while he jacks the car up for me, these are the supplies we're gonna use today. So last time when I was explaining about when he put his lip on, how it wasn't staying secure, he used these little guys. What are they called? Self-tappers. Yeah. And those didn't hold tight. So
the bottom of this bumper is so thin that it just doesn't really grab.
Of this bumper? Oh, the bumper is so thin. Yeah, it didn't grab. So it just pulled right off. And so now we're not messing around this time. We got some, what are these, screws and washer locks and all kinds of stuff. So it's gonna be, we're gonna sandwich it in like that. We'll use the tape to hold it on because I'm gonna try and do it all by myself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it should go.
It's gonna go like that.
Yeah, and like I said, I feel like
center it,
this is the center probably of the car.
Yeah.
And since this is the center, we just have to find the center part of here and try and like
do that one first.
Yeah.
And then walk the way around it.
Walk it around. My bad. Yep.
Okay.
You gotta start over.
Well, the painter's tape option didn't work. Doesn't hold on to the plastic. So can't hold it up by myself. I decided to drill the holes before into the lip and then drill it into the bumper.
I really like this.
Yeah, this is a good setup.
I think so too.
So now we'll drill it into the bumper. We got the first one sandwiched in there already, so the rest should be easy. What did you say how to do with it?
Like ream it?
Ream it.
Yeah. So push and then just ream it out. There you go. Good. Perfect.
Reamed. And then one of these. One of these. Wash lock, what's it called?
Lock washer?
Lock washer.
Yeah, but that's on top.
Yeah.
Open this up so it's a little bit easier to get to.
Thank you.
You have one on top? Another washer on top?
Oh yeah, washer on top. Then a lock washer. And this little guy.
Beautiful.
I wanted to go this way and put my hand through something.
Yeah.
Damn it, Mike.
It's all right.
Okay. And then...
2 done.
No, come here. And that's what it looks like. 2 done. 2 done. 15 more to go. final look. And here's what it looks like in the daytime. I absolutely love it. And it was super easy to install. I think it was a great idea to use the double washers. And I just love the way it completes the front end of it. It's also been about a week and a half since doing the coilovers, and I love it. I love the handling, it's super responsive. And I don't know, before I felt like my car was gonna roll over when I'd go into turns, you know, but now I can take the turns faster and it just feels more stable. So, but what I didn't know actually was how bumpy the ride would be. I feel like I get whiplash just going over like a tiny pebble or something. But after I installed them, like 2 days after, I learned that I could have done a lowering spring shock setup to like lower the car, but not sacrifice the ride quality. But whatever, I'm a race car driver now. And they're also a little squeaky, so I'll probably have to remove them and lube them up.
That's what she said.
But that's it for now, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching. See you next time. Gonna go enjoy the sunset now. Doesn't really pick up on camera, but it's beautiful.